Good morning. We're back. We're on the big project, but now we're putting lat fences up down all three sides we're doing now. Just a bit of running around to do today. We had to come, unload, and then a landlady from Birmingham's come up to see his patio in his last video. Just to basically hand the keys over and pay and whatnot. So it's 11:30 now, and we're just going to start doing it. But we've only got today and tomorrow for two sides. I'm having a long weekend away, and then we're back next week to do the third side. So, should be good. But, like I say, 11:30, quoting on this new estate at 4 o'clock. So, good stint at it now. We've had us lunch. And then, crack on. That's it. Just crack on. I think the sun is going to be in his eyes, though. I think so. It's right low, and it's just there. You know, right where his fence is going. Another thing on these lat fences, we're starting at the bottom because the lats go up, and then bottom of the garden. But what I notice on a lot of videos is with lat fencing, everyone goes right 6 foot, so 1830, 1850i. Put the first one on, and then they work down like this. But now we're starting at the bottom. We're going to start at the bottom of the fence, because when it gets to 6 foot ish, it's either going to be a bit of a 6 foot or a little bit less of a 6 foot. But then the patio's here, the lats go, and then the sleeper comes, and then it goes over the sleeper into the next section. And then you go, right, yeah, roughly, yeah, bang, there, that's it, finished. Because if we started at the top, you'd go 6 foot, and then you go down, get to the bottom, one can't fit in. What do you do with that one? You can't put a little sliver in, it looks rubbish. Put a thicker bit, it looks rubbish. It looks good, but then on the AstroTurf section here, if you don't need that little skirting board, if you like, whatever, why ain't that got that there? Do you know what I mean? You're sort of like opening questions for later, do you know what I mean? So we're starting at the bottom, and we're working up till we say, right, we're at 6 foot, and then we'll chop the top of the post off then. So, and I think it's easier, because you're not holding it up, you're pushing it down. So you're getting your 10mm gap, and obviously you're pushing it down, so it's easier, you know what I mean? So it's not always two people. If one needs to nip and go get whatever, it can still be getting done. But that's my theory anyway. Why do people start at the top on these fences, but every other fence start at the bottom? I don't know. It's just the way we've looked at it and thought we'll do it. But yeah, I'll catch you in the back garden. that looks better, doesn't it? Looks loads better. Tomorrow we are starting here, doing the cuts all the way up to the top, finish that end bit. It's about 2 meters long, that one. And put bottom bits in. I think today we're just concentrating on the big fast bits, just because we were so late in starting. Let's just get a bulk of it done, and tomorrow we can do our little bits and do that bottom bit over there. We just messed about putting a few posts on so we get to see the height, but that in this corner looks nice. It like sort of takes the edge off of like his shed and like, you know, looking over into their garden. But yeah, it's gonna look nice tomorrow. We'll have them 2 sides finished tomorrow. We need to finish as well because we're away this weekend. But yeah, just a bit more private in it. Just makes it feel bigger. I always say it. Said it on last fence dinner. You fence and then you close it in, but it feels bigger. Just good. I just love it. I love fencing. It's my thing, I think. I think it's my thing. But yeah, definitely works. Starting from bottom, working up. So you're sort of pushing down. You're not fighting and dropping it everywhere, you know what I mean? It just works. So I'm happy to doing it that way. Done it fast as well, actually. Isn't it all right? But yeah, guys, catch you in the morning. See you soon.